Let's get started with our AdWords search campaigns. It's really easy to create successful Google AdWords search campaigns. So follow our step-by-step guide to check what we are using and how to use it. So compared to the old AdWords, the new AdWords has a lot of changes, but the options are the same. There are no changes between the old and the new AdWords on the strategy we follow, but there are a lot of changes on where these buttons are located. So we have to show you step by step how to create these AdWords campaigns. So first of all, press on all campaigns, and to check all campaigns and campaigns, be aware there are two homes over here, the overview. There is no plus campaign button. You can check the stats of your AdWords account, and then there is campaigns where you can see all your campaigns and create new campaigns. So here, this is where we want you to check. So we check plus campaign, and we have some options over here on what campaign to select and what campaign to create. So let's check what are these options. So first of all, we have sales, leads, website traffic, and products, and brand consideration, brand awareness, and app promotion. So you have to select one of these automatic options, but there is something that you can select that is the right option. This is create a campaign without a goals guidance. We don't want guidance on building our AdWords campaigns. We just want to build these campaigns and make them successful. So don't use something pre-built. Don't use something that is existing over here, because it's a bad option. So we always select create a campaign without a goal guidance, and then we go to the next step. So here we are in a really easy way to choose what we want to do. We want to do search, display, shopping, video, or universal app. So there are these options which are really clear, and we know where we spend our money. So first of all, click on the search, because today we're going to show you step by step how to create your AdWords search campaigns. So we select search, displays, another course, we're going to check them later, shopping to video and universal app. So let's start from search. And then what do you want to promote? We have to promote website visits, phone calls, or app downloads. We will start from website visits. It's a great percentage of our campaigns, website visits. We want people to see the ad on Google AdWords, on Google, and click on it and go to our website to buy our shoes, our sporting shoes. So your website, here I'm going to write down my website. It's just for start to make Google think about what we sell online. So I'm going to write down sportshoes.com. It's a demo site. It's not a site I would recommend, but it's just a demo site. We have to start and create the campaign around sports shoes. So I want to promote this website, so as to gain some website visits. Then I press continue, and here we have the campaign name. It's a whole procedure on how to put the names on your campaigns. We want you to add a number in front of them, a 3-digit number. So I start my search campaigns based on that number. Maybe we're going to analyze how to name the campaigns later. For start, I put three numbers inside 110, so as to be able to put another one after and before. Then I press the name of the man who is doing the search campaign, so as to be able to be sure that this campaign was built by me. So if in an account there are 3 users, each user uses its own name, so we know which user built the campaign. And then we start writing down the name of the target we're going to use in this campaign. So in this campaign, I'm going to promote shoes, or sports shoes, basketball shoes. So I write down basketball shoes. So here we are, the name is done, and then we go next. In the next section, we're going to select the network we're going to use. So here there is a misunderstanding. I want to do search network only, but Google shows me also the ad display network. So I write down no, I want to pay for the search and I want my ad to appear on the search network only. So search network is all I select, and don't forget to deselect includes Google Search Partners, because search partners are the sites in the search network that partner with Google to show us on their search results. So which are these sites? We don't know which sites these are. So I don't want to pay $12 per click to appear in a website that I don't know which one is that. So I always deselect include Google Search Partners.